Hi GTV, it's Allie. Today I'm here with John from Eaton. John, tell me about what we have here.
This is our new family of products called the Power Defense. It's a new molded case circuit breaker line that has a lot of features, and one of it is the more data that people need, and it has access. It gives the user all the access. So within the trip module family, all the way through 2500 amp, there's an electronic trip module located down here that's replaceable. And depending on the level of trip that you have, from a 10 to a 25 family, you just get more data. So more current, voltage, things like this are access to you. Breaker health is access to you. And this is an example of showing our largest one, the PRX25, and all the things that are available to you as standard. So you can measure current, so you know by phase what is the current at each phase, because internally it's using its own CTs, so I can measure phase, I can measure voltage. So it's also giving you voltage. With voltage and current, now I got kW. So I know the energy usage on the load side of this breaker. So if I'm trying to calculate what my usage is on a machine or in a plant, I now get access to every breaker family that I have. One of the nice features is breaker health. And now it gives you, as you can see, about 16 different variables. And what it's doing is it's monitoring the breaker itself. And it's saying when it tripped, how high was it trip? How many times did it trip? Did it trip because of short? Did it trip because of a long time delay? Did it trip because of ground fault? So all those things are available to you to get access with a counter, and then you can display that. So when a breaker and there is a short, it will tell you why it tripped, and then you can go back in later and then look at the waveforms. So you can actually say, was that a 65K fault or was that a 10K fault? So the higher the fault level, the more damage potentially that you want to do.
Right.
It also again gives you remote control, so I can turn the breaker on and off remotely just by this. So if I wanted to have load shedding and shut breakers off, I can do that through the software and through the network itself also. Setting the set points, so these are all the set points. What's the current? What's the delay? What's the waveform look like? All that is available to you. And since these are all available, that means in your PLC then can get access to all this, change the waveforms, change what you want. We also have what's called Flash Mitigation maintenance mode, which means if I want to go work on a piece of equipment live and I don't want to require all the PPE requirements and the face shields, then what I can do is turn this to that Flash maintenance switch level. It turns the breaker settings all the way down to the bare minimum. So when you open the door, you'll need the complete PPE requirements. And then when you get done and close the door, then you can turn it back off, and now you're back to the normal settings on the breaker. So it gives you access to all the information that you want by changing the trip module. The nice thing is if you don't want that now, then you could buy the smaller trip module, which is thermomagnetic, and later on in your facility, as you add IoT structure, and now you need the data, you can go into an existing breaker, take the old trip module out, plug in the new trip module that gives you all that data, and now you're IoT ready. So it's upgradable, changeable in terms of the overall design of this. And this is just showing a standard, anybody's PLC and HMI talking to a breaker, and you can talk to multiple breakers. So I could have my whole plant. As a matter of fact, Eaton, at 2 of its plants, we are monitoring every energy use using this technology, every breaker, every load, every cell. We can tell what the energy cost is, when it tripped, why it tripped, what was the current, and we can do that all remotely. So the people in Eaton, in Cleveland, can monitor that plant all the way down to the plant level.
Wow, pretty cool.
We carry products of all categories from hundreds of trusted vendors such as Eaton. Check us out today at galco.com.